Okay. Last time we learned what is the polar form, and now we will learn how to convert this form to that form, means from polar form to standard form. So, so basically this was converting from polar form to standard form, right? We did that, right? In that, if I give you a vector, right, then you can convert it to I caret j caret form, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So now, if you want to go reverse, so if you want to relate the standard form to the polar form, what that means is, and you want to find the polar form, you should find two things. Which two? One magnitude and the other one angle. Yes, the angle indicates the direction. That clear?
Yes.
Let's see how to do it. Suppose someone would, let me explain the theory first. So let's say this is y-axis and here is x, and here is a vector A, which is at an angle theta. So in polar form we are worried about two things. Which two? A and theta, the magnitude and the angle. But when it comes to components, that is ax and ay, correct or not?
Yes.
So now do you see a simple relation between theta, ay and ax, given that this is a right angle here? What relation can you see? Raise your hand. Between theta, ay and ax. Ekdam easy check. If you have got something, it's very likely correct. It's too simple. Alright. Log
Opposite of an axis.
tan theta. Very good. Tan theta will be equal to ay upon ax. Did you understand?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Easy, doesn't it? What did we do? Use trigonometry, tan theta, opposite upon adjacent. So ay upon. Did you get there? Now see, you might be thinking, sir, ભૂલી ગયા અહીંયા વેક્ટર સાઇન કરવાનો. સર છે, સર તમે નથી, સર ભૂલી ન જાય. Is that okay? Vector sign અહીંયા no આવે, because we are taking the length. This is a triangle, so this side is length. This is the length. So when we talk about length is not a vector. So generally we don't have to write the vector sign. Did you get there?
Yes.
Okay, we'll say vector no kara. Okay, don't try to correct what I am doing. Okay, so tan theta is ay upon ax. Done. So correct. There are a couple of more relations that we can easily use. One is cos theta will be equal to, what is it? Ax upon a. Did it? Is that clear or not clear? Ax upon a.
Yes.
Why so? That is an upon factor. Okay, similarly, if I want to write sin theta, then it will be ay upon a. So obviously we have these kind of simple relations. Yes or no? They're very easy based on 10 standard trigonometry. And then, do you see a right angle triangle here?
Yes.
For every right angle triangle, there is something that we can use. What's that?
Pythagoras.
Pythagoras theorem. Yes or no?
Yes.
What's the Pythagoras theorem? What will it give here? What will it give here? A squared will be equal to ax squared. Very good. So what this means is, if I want to find the magnitude of vector A, then I can write that this is magnitude of vector A. Yes or no? Very simple, भूल गया. When you don't put the vector sign, it means magnitude. Correct or not?
Yes.
Third
Yes.
is equal to under root ax square plus ay square under root. Is that clear or not clear?
Yes.
Don't forget the squares. Understood? So this is the formula of magnitude of a vector. Given its component, see, these are components. Ax indicates the x component, ay indicates the y component. अभी समझ पड़ी क्या? Your example of it, so that you can learn how to use this. So suppose I give you a vector a, which is, let's say, 1 I carried plus 1 j carried. देखाई तो देना पांचर थी आउट एकदम जीरो जीरो. It's very like that. You want to turn it off? Kema. Oh. Nothing. Can you please turn it off? But not like with the switch one. Was that a guess? Worked very well. Alright, so a vector is 1 I carried plus 1 j carried. Alright, so now we want to find out two things. One, I want to find its magnitude, and I also want to find out the angle at which the vector is. Did you understand what I want to find? Look at this. Clear? As usual, we will solve question by drawing a diagram first. Drag કરી શકાય મને તો આવડે છે. But because I would have drawn such diagrams thousands of times. Okay, you are learning, so trying to do it without diagram, well, it's going to not end up very well for you. So let's say this is y and x. I don't know what's the angle, but I'll just draw the vector somewhere. Okay, a vector done. Theta. Did you understand this so far? Yes or no? Now I can easily find out the magnitude first of all by the formula. What's the formula of magnitude that I want you to remember? This one. Under root a square plus ay square. Later on we are going to change this formula a little bit for 3D, but right now this is enough for us. So how much is this? Find it. Done? यार તમે લોકો પાછળ પાછળ જ રહો છો. હજી અત્યારે ફિગર ડ્રો થાય છે બધા. Not good. થોડીક હેબિટ ચેન્જ કરો. મારા ક્લાસમાં મને એ નથી ફાવતું કે તમે પાછળ પાછળ જ લખ કરો. When I ask you a question, I am expecting immediate answer. હું તમે રાહ જોવો છો ત્યાં. જોવો છો ને કે a ની વેલ્યુ શું છે તમે મને કહેશો ત્યારે તમે હજી આ બધું કરો છો. રૂટ 2. ખાલી 1 square plus 1 square એનો રૂટ કરવામાં આટલી વાર લાગે તો હું તો શોકમાં આવી ગયો. yes means હા થઈ ગયું રૂટ બરાબર ને કરેક્ટ રૂટ 2 clear. So this magnitude means this length. याद है नहीं तो? So the length of this is root 2. Now we want to find theta. So for that I'll draw the x and y components. So obviously I'll make a right angle triangle like this. Actually you can make a rectangle also like I showed you earlier. Alright? Yes. And so ax and ay. Correct or not?
Yes.
So what is ax and what is ay? 1. I1 and I1. This one, this one. Clear or not?
Yes.
So can we use sin, cos, tan or something so that we can find theta? So શું કરવું જોઈએ? tan theta કરવાનું ગમે એ કરે. tan theta equal to ay upon a. શું આવશે? 1 upon 1. Did you understand everyone? Tan theta equal to ay upon a. So 1 upon 1. So tan theta is 1. હવે જો અહીંયા ઊંધું પૂછવું પડે. tan theta is 1. What is theta? 45. સમજાણું?
Yes.
One more use of table. So we have finally figured out that this vector has how much magnitude? Root 2. Magnitude root 2. And is at what angle? 45. Which what? Angle क्या है? Is it with y axis? Angle theta with y axis है कि with x axis? With positive x axis. Did you understand?
Yes.
So this is how you can describe the whole thing. Okay, चलो एक તમને આપું છું પહેલા એમ કરવા પછી હોમવર્ક ના ક્વેશ્ચન્સ આપી દો. આ લખાઈ ગયું છે બધું?
Yes.
Again, do not forget what I am telling you. I don't know what you are doing in other classes, but in my class you will write as I am writing. લખો તમે. Okay, so you'll have to do two things at a time. પેન ચાલવી જોઈએ અને કાન એ ચાલવા જોઈએ. Okay, you should be able to listen what I'm explaining. All right. એવું નહીં કે શોર્ટ બોર્ડ પર લખે આપણે આમ જોઈ લઈએ જરા. The reason, like I have said, is when we are solving a numerical and I stop at a place, then I want you to complete the rest. પછી ત્યારે તો જો સવાલ જ એટલું બધું લખવાનું બાકી. પછી તો અહીંયા પહોંચશો. એવું થાય ને? Okay. So try this now. Suppose we have, let's say, a vector b. We can draw the matter. Let's say we have a vector b as 2i caret plus 2 root 3 j caret. Can you find its magnitude and the angle which it makes? What do you have to know? And करता था एक अगला क्वेश्चन जो बाकी बाकी होमवर्क में. We have reading lecture today.
Yes.
Which one? After this number. કેટલા ક્વેશ્ચન છે તમારા માટે 1 2 3 12 અને બીજા 7. કરાવતા નહીં ખાલી લખાવી દો બરાબર ને everything magnitude angle everything angle with which axis negative or positive done. First thing is to find magnitude. How do you write magnitude? खाली b લખવાનું ને b is equal to under root શું આવશે
4 12
સિમ્બોલ લખો શું લખવાનું x square y square bx square plus by square. Remember you are made up of your own body parts, so I will mistake नहीं है बराबर है right. So b is equal to under root bx square plus by square. Okay, do we have the values?
Yes.
So क्या है
4
plus
12
next one value raise your hand. બીજું કઈ શીખવાનું છે પેટર્ન ફિક્સ પડે 12. Okay, so this is equal to 4. Is that okay?
Yes.
Steps તમારે નો લખવા હોય તો એક્ઝામ માં લખન નથી આ તો પહેલી વાર જાય એટલે લખાવો બાકી તો જવાબ દેવાનું છે જોઈ. Okay, so done. B is 4. So now complete the triangle like this out here. All right? This is theta. This is B, which is having how much length? 4. Hypotenuse is 4. So horizontal શું છે? કેટલી વેલ્યુ છે? 2. And this is 2. Okay, now we want to find theta. कैसे करो? 60 degree. Pure?
Yes.
Correct. Tan theta करशो. Tan theta will be equal to by upon bx. 2 root 3 upon 2. That is root 3. Therefore theta is equal to 60 degree. Did you understand?
Yes.
This is angle with which axis?
Positive.
With positive x axis. Clear?
Yes.
Order. Fine. एक लास्ट ઊંધો પ્રેક્ટિસ કરે તો ઊંધો એટલે આમ સાઈડ માં કંઈક વેક્ટર આડું હોય તો કેતે કરાય પછી હોમવર્ક માં કરાય. So here is the question. Suppose here is the can't draw. કેટલી હેબિટ છે ડ્રો કરવાની તો વિચારો. I have to write the question. એનો પેલી ક્વેશ્ચન માં હું સીધું ડ્રો કરું આન્સર બરાબર ને. Okay, so if c vector is equal to minus 5i caret plus 5 root 3 j caret, this is given to us. Alright, and based on this we have to find the magnitude of c vector and we have to find the angle that it makes. So c equal to look under root c square plus cy. चलो પછી under હવે અહીંયા તો 25 બોલો જલ્દી 25
Yes.
પછી plus 75 very good. Clear or not clear?
Yes.
So final answer of this is 10. Understood?
Yes.
So C is 10. હવે angle. પણ angle find કરવા માટે પહેલા draw તો કરવું જ જોઈએ. Can you draw this? કેવી રીતે ખબર પડે કે આ draw કરવાનું? Look at this. X component positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative છે ને? And Y component positive or negative? Positive. So એવું કેમ થાય? Which quadrant will it point towards? X ma negative means going towards right side or left side? Left side. And Y positive. So up or down? Left side upward. એવું જોવું છે. Did you understand? Left side upward. Take it wrong? Yours? Left side upward, somewhere here. Okay? Now we want to find the angle theta. Generally, when nothing is mentioned, we try to find the angle with positive x. Is that clear? We try to find the angle with positive x. What we'll do here is first of all we'll find the angle by calling it alpha or something. Let's say here. Suppose we want alpha find. For that I'll complete the rectangle. Okay, done. Barabar? Okay, what's this diagonal of this rectangle? 10. Correct or not?
Yes.
10 is the magnitude of the C vector. Got it?
Yes.
હવે આ શું છે? ખબર છે? આ horizontal
-5.
5. Can length be negative?
No.
Yeah. Why is it minus n? Because it's towards the left side. When you draw the vector Cx, it would be towards the left side. So its length is 5, but the vector Cx is towards the left side. Minus तो અત્યારે કઈ બહુ રોલ નથી. Never. ચલો આ 5 છે. Then what is this 5 root 3 ક્યાં આવશે? This is 5 root 3. Did you get that?
Yes.
Based on what we have so far in this diagram, can you find out alpha? કરો. Alpha find કરો. થઈ ગયું ને?
Yes.
Okay. Alpha is 30 or 60? 60. 30 or 60?
60.
Who says 60? Who says 30? 60 get? Explain. Explain. How is it 60? Just answer.
Using the tan theta.
Tan theta. Tan theta. પહેલા tan theta છે ને?
Tan alpha.
Tan alpha equal to
Opposite upon adjacent.
tan is opposite upon બરાબર ને? નહીં? ચાલો તો હવે શું?
5 upon 5 root 3.
5 upon 5 root 3. 5 what? 1 upon root 3. So what's the angle? What's the angle? 30.
Yes.
એમ ભાઈ પાર્ટી બદલી નાખી બધાએ? હે? પહેલા કેમ 60 કહેતા હતા? પહેલા કેમ 60 કહેતા હતા? મને સમજાણું નહીં. You took this wrong. 5 root 3 upon 5 કર્યું? કોણે 5 root 3 upon 5 કર્યું? Raise your hand. અચ્છા. પછી એંગલ અલગ આવે ને, so you should have been careful. ઈ જોવાનું ક્વેશ્ચન્સ માં કોઈ કે એંગલ લઈને રાખ્યો તો આપણે આપણી રીતે નહીં કરી નાખવાનું પછી. Okay, no problem. Then yeah, of course this angle will be 30. All right, the other angle, this angle will be 60. There's no doubt about it. બરાબર ને? ઈ 60 નહોતા કહેતા ને? ઈ જ કહેતા હતા 60. તો તમે જોયું ખરું બોર્ડ પર. ચાલો કઈ વાત નહીં. બરાબર? હવે તો confusion clear છે?
Yes.
So what this tells you is that often there are different methods to get the same answer. An answer might look different, but still it would be correct. So मैं यहाँ 60 को ने वो यहाँ 30 को. Who is right? Both are right. Is it fine? એટલે એકબીજાનો આન્સર સાચો ખોટો એવું કમ્પેરિઝન કરતા પહેલા જોઈ લેવાનું કે શું કર્યું છે. Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so very well. So alpha is 30 degree. Now if I want to find angle with positive x-axis because normally that's what we do. So answer. Aman. Angle with positive x-axis. Where is positive x-axis? Huh? Positive x-axis કઈ બાજુ છે? અહીંયા આમ છે ને. આની અને આની વચ્ચે how much angle? Alpha plus 90. Yes or no?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
So answer. Theta is 120 degree with positive x-axis. Did you understand?
Yes.
कोई पूछे how much angle with positive y-axis? So 30. How much angle with negative x-axis? 60. दोनों बदल अलग all mean the same thing. Got it?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Or not clear?
Yes.
એટલે ક્વેશ્ચન માં જોવાનું કોકવાર આવી દે ઓપ્શન માં કન્ફ્યુઝ કરે સપોઝ એમ કે vehicle is moving in this direction then the velocity is option A 60 degree with x axis option B 30 degree with y axis એવું બધું આપેલું so don't get confused આવડી ગયો કરતા even if it is on the negative તો આવડશે ને okay for practice like I said I'm definitely going to give you many questions. All right, so now let's go over to the next topic. And remember, it's going to be homework, so you will do it. Don't ask anyone for help directly. સીધું લાવો કરી જ નાખો હું જોઉં છું બસ એવું નહીં બધું હોમવર્ક તમને આવડે એવું જ હોય તો કેવી મજા આવે કે નહીં એમાં હોમવર્ક નું શું કામ સાચી વાત એવું તમે કે હું તમને 1 + 1 = એવું હોમવર્ક માં right so homework is only useful when it is little bit challenging બરાબર ને okay now the easiest topic possible addition subtraction in standard form એનો શું મીનિંગ let's see suppose someone gives you a vector see the example થી સમજાવજો પછી ફોર્મ્યુલા લખાઈ દેશે but frankly I'm sure nobody will ever be using the formula એટલું ફાલતુ છે so yeah really a vector is suppose 2i caret plus 3j caret alright and b vector is let's say 4i caret minus j caret see minus j caret means how many j caret 1 समझे ना
Yes.
okay so now if someone says add vector a and vector b and find out resultant vector so અત્યાર સુધી આપણે કઈ મેથડ શીખ્યા હતા for addition we have learned two methods name them law of addition second method parallelogram law of addition right or not they are called graphical methods which kind of method draw કેટલી બધી મોબાઈલ માં here a vector plus b vector 2i caret plus 3j caret આટલા બધા તમે લખશો એટલે I am absolutely sure add કરવાનું so simple add apples with apples and oranges with
Oranges.
so the answer is
6.
did you understand
Yes.
sure
Yes.
શું કર્યું apples છે apples can only be added with apples remember that like terms are added એવું તમને ખબર નહીં કે 6th standard માં શીખવાડ્યું છે બરાબર ને okay so 3j caret minus j caret will be 2j did you get that
Yes.
so this is how you add vectors in standard form એને ખરેખર બરાબર okay now what if there was z component also I know I have not taught you much about z component yet but in addition subtraction there is nothing extraordinary to do if there was a z component to a vector then also you have to follow the same principle all right So let's say that if there is a vector A which is equal to I caret plus j caret minus 2k caret, and there is a B vector which is equal to 2I caret plus 3k caret. Be careful. Be careful. Now find out the R vector resultant vector which is equal to A vector plus B vector. Do it. Raise your hand when you are done. बस आटलो जल्दी જ આન્સર આવવો જોઈએ એટલો જલ્દી જ આવવો જોઈએ ઓકે વિશ્વા what's your answer
bi caret plus j caret plus k caret.
who agrees who disagrees nobody disagrees nobody made a mistake અહીંયા j caret નથી did you see that add નહીં કરવાનો એમ તેમ એવું થાય કોપર આ બસ નીચે નીચે એડ કરવાનો 2 + 1 3 1 + 3 4 and minus common mistake that be careful with that all right how do you add it similarly subtraction okay I'm not going to explain that do I have any formula with the sit down with if you want to write it as a formula then you can write it as follows that if r vector is equal to a vector plus b vector then it's going to be ax I caret plus ay j caret plus az k caret આવી રીતે લગાય આટલું તો આવડે જ છે z all right okay or not okay
Yes.
sure you got that
Yes.
oh good luck with that ignore no hang on the rule is still the same don't worry at all plus b vector હોય તો bx I caret plus by j caret plus bz k caret again what is meaning of bz z component of b vector did you get that
Yes.
okay or not okay you are already familiar with x and y component and this is z component all right so આ શું થઈ જશે addition what do you think ax plus bx I caret common plus ay plus b1 j caret is common and az plus dz આવી ગયું ને આવું કરવાનું so this is going to be r vector right so if someone says what is rx this is rx do you understand this is ry and this is rz did you understand
Yes.
okay rx means what x component of resultant y component of resultant and z component of resultant did you get that completely
Yes.
okay चलो subtraction આમ જ કરવાનું હોય બરાબર there is nothing new to learn over there so can you find this okay this is your homework question everyone okay this is homework આ બધું ભૂલી ન જતા કરી નાખજો so if a vector is given as 4I caret plus 2j caret okay and b vector is given as minus I caret minus j caret okay then you have to find r vector and also find r okay find r vector and r what's meaning of both of these अभी अलग है एक है अलग cover the difference r vector is the resultant vector that you find by adding a vector and b vector and r is its magnitude so once you find r vector you should find out its magnitude how to find magnitude of a vector under root rx squared plus r squared again a formula and just take the components and square them and add them and take a square root okay so that's how you do it is this fine
Yes.
okay. Now let's go to another thing which is about parallelogram law once again let's go back to the parallelogram law okay and derive a relation of resultant just like here you can find magnitude of resultant बराबर है यहाँ resultant find है r vector and r both just like that if you want to find out Is it? So we want to find out the resultant magnitude, okay, in form of three things. Here, I mean, suppose we had two vectors, a vector and b vector. Our book का एक example है, I don't remember which one. 4.2, if I'm not wrong. Okay. A vector and b vector are there, and we want to find their resultant. Resultant, that is this. And not only that, I want to find what's this, and it is at what angle. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Okay. Let's begin by drawing the parallelogram first. You remember the law of addition for parallelogram? First, draw a vector A. I am going to draw A horizontal for simplicity. Okay, please draw A horizontal, everyone. પછી શું કરો? From the tail of A vector, draw
B vector.
You draw. પછી શું?
And
What's the next step?
complete
Complete the parallelogram. Is it okay or not okay?
Yes.
This is done. So completed the parallelogram. Alright. Now, because parallel sides are equal, so this side length is B, this side length is A, this side length is B, and this side length is also A. Have you understood what I have drawn so far?
Yes.
अच्छा, अब R vector क्या? From this to this, correct or not?
Yes.
The diagonal vector from the common day. So this is R vector. Its length will also be R. હવે આટલા બધા પોઈન્ટ છે લેબલ મૂકી. Let's say this is C, D, E, and F. Okay? Understood so far?
Yes.
Now I am going to draw a perpendicular. Dropping a perpendicular means I will have line draw running so that here it makes a right angle. Can you see this clearly? Yeah, right angle. Understood? Let's call this point A, B, C, D, F. Thank you. F is આવે. G આવે ને? ભૂલી જાઓ. Okay, now let's define things. Suppose angle between A and B is theta. So where is theta? Angle between A vector and B vector. So from here, this is A vector, to here, this is B vector. I just need a little bit more space. So this whole angle is how much? Theta. Whole angle between A vector and B vector. Let's say angle between R vector and A vector is alpha. Did you understand what I have marked?
Yes.
And let's say angle between B vector and R vector is beta. No.
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay. Now because it's a parallelogram, we have pair of alternate angles. Correct or not?
Yes.
Now Z બને છે. So અહીંયા angle આવશે alpha. Did you get that?
Yes.
And oh sorry. Yeah. And similarly here we get an angle alpha because we get a Z. Understood?
Yes.
One more. This side is parallel to this side, correct?
Yes.
So if this is making angle theta with horizontal, and here the angle is theta, then the same angle should be made over here, correct or not?
Yes.
So this angle is also theta. Did you understand all the geometry so far?
Yes.
Why is that angle also theta? Because we have two parallel lines. Parallel lines. एक आम लाइन ड्रॉ करो तो અહીંયા જે angle theta છે અહીંયા સેમ જ આવશે ને. Okay, so that's what we have. So all this is what we have from the diagram. Now we are going to take we're going to take the components of vector R and B and all that to do, and we'll derive a relation between the following things: R, A, B, and B. Okay, we'll make a formula which contains these four terms, nothing else. Alright, so figure draw કરીને રાખો એમને. Okay, and we will complete it the next. You can also try to do it yourselves. Pythagoras theorem છે. You want to find R. દેખાય છે right angle triangle કે એમાં R hypotenuse છે એવું દેખાય?
Yes.
You have to. Okay. If you